If you've been wondering how to access Lucid Mode for videos in Opera, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find it, how to turn it on, and how to use the video controls to make your viewing experience better. This is a simple setting, but once you know where it is, you can adjust your videos in just a few seconds. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. Once Opera is open, look to the top left corner and click on the Opera logo. This is where you'll find the main browser menu and access to settings. From the menu, go down and click on Setting. You can also use the shortcut if you prefer, but for this tutorial, we're keeping it simple and going step by step. Once the settings page opens, scroll through the options until you find the video section. Click on Video, and this is where Opera keeps its video enhancement features. At the top of this section, you'll see the first category labeled Lucid Mode. That's the feature we're looking for. Inside Lucid Mode, you should see options that let you toggle the sharpness of the video. This is useful if you want the image to look clearer or more enhanced while watching content online. Depending on your version of Opera, you may also see an option to show a button directly on the video player. If that option is available, you can enable it so the Lucid Mode control appears right on the video itself, making it even easier to turn on and off while you watch. Take a moment to adjust the settings the way you want. If you like a sharper image, increase the sharpness. If you want quick access during playback, turn on the show button option. Once you've made your changes, the settings should apply automatically, and you can start watching videos with Lucid Mode enabled. And that's it. You've now learned how to access Lucid Mode for videos in Opera. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and now you can control your video experience much more easily. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide.